In this video, we'll take a look at molecular property calculation in the chemistry visualization for Lead Discovery ChemCharts. Property calculations can be added to a data table by navigating to the Calculations tab of the Chemistry Services visual and selecting Property Calculations from the Add New Chemistry Analyses drop-down. This will open the Property Calculation dialog. First, we have to choose the column containing the molecules we want to calculate properties for. We'll come back to the properties shortlist later in the video and simply select the properties that we want calculated from the properties list. I'm going to choose molecular weight, log P, hydrogen bond donors and hydrogen bond acceptors. Clicking OK will start the property calculations. After starting the calculations, the properties item is added to the list of chemistry analyses in the Calculations tab of the chemistry visualization, and the progress for the calculations will be indicated by the green pop-ups. Once complete, the properties item will display the name of the structure column used for the calculation, as well as the properties that were calculated. The table visualization on the left shows the 4 properties have been added to the data table. To edit the property calculations, click the Edit button on the property item, which will open the property dialog where you can make changes to which properties are calculated. In this instance, I will add molecular formula. On clicking OK, the properties are recalculated and added to the data table. To remove the calculated properties, simply click the Delete button on the properties item. This removes the properties item and the columns from the data table. The properties item representing the calculation is saved as part of the Spotfire document. The property columns are Spotfire calculated columns. If the data in the data table changes, the properties will recalculate to reflect those changes. Users may find that they have a list of favourite properties that are repeatedly calculated for different data tables. In this case, it is convenient to save these properties as a shortlist. To do this, open the Property dialog in the Chemistry visual and navigate to the Property Calculation tab. Here you can add a shortlist by clicking the Add button, entering a name and hitting Enter or clicking the Confirm button. Once you've created the shortlist, you can add properties to it. I will add the properties that I calculated previously. The property shortlists are saved as part of the Spotfire document. The next time I calculate a set of properties for a data table, the shortlist that I created will be visible in the Properties dialog. To add the properties from a shortlist to a calculation, select the shortlist from the drop-down and click Add Shortlist Properties. Clicking OK will run the property calculation as before. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out the other video tutorials for Lead Discovery ChemCharts.